Your kitchen drain smells. It runs slow. You've tried the blue gel, the foam, the enzyme drops. They work for a month, maybe two. Then you're back to the same drain. Here's what's actually happening. Cooking grease has been coating the inside of that pipe since the day you moved in. Every product under your sink addresses the symptom. None of them touch the chemistry. There's one compound that does. It costs $4. You'll find it in the laundry aisle. And a 30-second treatment once a month means you never call a plumber for a slow drain again. It's called washing soda, sodium carbonate, not baking soda. That's too weak for this job. The brand you want is Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, bright yellow box, about $4 at Walmart or any grocery store. A single box lasts roughly 2 years of monthly treatments. That box of Drano under your sink right now runs $7 to $12 per bottle and needs to be replaced every few months. You've been buying a partial solution on a subscription. Washing soda solves the underlying chemistry. One box. Done. Here's why every drain cleaner you've tried only works temporarily, and why washing soda works permanently. Pipe grease isn't loose buildup you can flush out with pressure. It's cooking fat, triglycerides, that cooled on your pipe wall and bonded to it chemically. Layer after layer, year after year, the pipe's internal diameter shrinks. The smell comes from bacteria feeding on that organic layer. Water pressure doesn't move it. Caustic gels soften the top layer but leave the base intact. The grease reaccumulates in weeks. Washing soda dissolved in boiling water creates a strongly alkaline solution, pH around 11. At that pH, something called alkaline hydrolysis kicks in. The alkaline solution attacks the ester bonds, holding the fat molecules together, and breaks them apart. The fatty acid chains react with sodium ions in the water and convert into soap, water-soluble soap that flushes away completely. You're not loosening grease, you're chemically converting it into something that dissolves. Boiling water matters here. Hot water increases the rate of that reaction by a factor of 4 to 6. Cold water with washing soda is weak. Boiling water with washing soda is fast and thorough. Remove the grease layer and you remove the food source for the odor-causing bacteria. The smell is gone within 48 hours and stays gone as long as you maintain the monthly treatment. That's the whole science. What you need: Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda from the laundry aisle of any grocery store. It costs about $5 and lasts years. You also need boiling water, using either a full kettle or a pot on the stove. That's it. If your drain is already slow or smells, start with the deep treatment for 3 nights in a row. Step 1. Before bed, pour 1 full cup of dry washing soda crystals directly into the drain opening. Let it sit for 2 minutes. You want the crystals in contact with the buildup before you add water. Step 2. Slowly pour 1 liter of boiling water down the drain. This is the chemistry working. The alkaline solution needs time, so don't run the faucet. Step 3. Leave the drain alone for at least 6 hours. Overnight is ideal. The saponification reaction continues the entire time the solution is in contact with the pipe wall. Step 4. In the morning, flush with hot tap water for 2 minutes. Repeat all steps for 3 nights. Heavy buildup doesn't dissolve in one treatment, it dissolves in layers. Common mistake: using hot tap water instead of boiling water. It's not hot enough to drive the reaction. Heat your kettle. It matters. For ongoing maintenance, once a month, use 2 tablespoons of washing soda and 1 liter of boiling water before bed. That's the entire protocol. No buildup gets a foothold, the drain stays clear and the smell doesn't return. For bathroom drains, washing soda won't dissolve hair. Use a drain snake or a hair catcher to clear physical obstructions first. One limitation: this is for organic buildup. It won't help with foreign objects, collapsed pipes, or root intrusion. It isn't recommended for very old lead pipes. If your house was built before 1940, check your pipe material first. For most residential drains like PVC, copper, or cast iron, this method is completely safe and will work exactly as described. $4.30 a month. Slow drain gone, smell gone. The box lasts 2 years. If you've been dealing with hard water mineral buildup on top of the grease problem, the next video covers that. Same principle, different compound, same price range. Take care.